Hello, and welcome back to another exciting adventure here on MegaFactory. Have you ever stood in the frozen aisle, holding a box of tempura shrimp, and wondered, how exactly do they get that coating so perfectly crispy and golden? Well, today we are finding out. We are stepping inside the world's largest plant. We will uncover the engineering magic that turns fresh catch into that famous crunch. From laser-guided sorting to mesmerizing rivers of golden oil, you have to see this. So buckle up and join me. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because trust me, we have plenty of surprises waiting for you ahead. Let's go! Huge trawlers rule the waves today, starting the journey out on the open water. Look at that massive net rising up, packed tight with thousands of live shrimp. It is a literal seafood rainstorm, pouring fresh silver shrimp into the tanks below. Smart machines sort them by size instantly, keeping the deck organized and moving fast. To lock in ocean freshness, they flash freeze every single catch right on board. At the busy harbor, cranes lift the frozen cargo onto waiting refrigerated trucks now. The cold chain convoy moves out, racing to get this catch to the factory. We arrive at the factory gates, where stainless steel surfaces shine clean and bright. Automated lifts do the heavy work, pushing pallets of raw shrimp into the bay. Experts check the quality here, ensuring only the freshest silver skins make the cut. First up is a bubble bath, where ozone gas cleans the shells very thoroughly. High-pressure jets blast away grit, leaving the shrimp perfectly clean and shiny again. Laser sensors scan every shrimp, measuring them to ensure they are the perfect size. Water temperature is monitored constantly, keeping it ice cold to preserve the meat texture. Thousands of trays are stacked up, ready and waiting for the real transformation now. Watch this machine work, gently peeling the shell to reveal pinkish-white meat inside. Water jets slice the back open, cleaning the vein without damaging the delicate meat. Sharp blades trim the tail fan, leaving just that signature red tip we love. Now peeled, thousands of shrimp line up, marching forward for the next big step. Here is the secret. Pressers gently stretch the shrimp into that elegant straight shape. A fine mist sprays over them, ensuring everything stays completely sanitary and safe today. Cameras scan each one, and if a shrimp is broken, it gets rejected immediately. They take a quick dip in cold brine, which helps firm up the texture. Air blowers remove excess water because we need a dry surface for the coating. A light dusting of flour falls, covering the shrimp like a soft snow layer. The belt vibrates gently, shaking the shrimp so they do not stick together here. Giant silos feed fresh flour down, keeping the supply constant and perfectly smooth always. Even the bottom gets coated, making sure flour covers every single millimeter underneath it. It's an endless sea of white, every piece looking identical and ready now. Now, fully dusted, they move toward the wet batter station for the crispy phase. In these tanks, the master mix is created, a creamy and smooth tempura batter. Look how smooth that is, no lumps allowed, just a perfect pale yellow liquid. Ice water pipes keep the batter cold, ensuring maximum crispiness during the fry later. Shrimp pass through a batter waterfall, getting completely wrapped in that thick cream coat. Gravity does the work, letting excess batter drip off for an even layer underneath. Then comes the shower. Millions of white panko crumbs rain down, burying the shrimp. Rollers press down gently, embedding those crumbs deep into the batter to stick well. A clever machine flips them, ensuring breadcrumbs cover them 360 degrees around. They emerge looking like fluffy white logs, all perfectly uniform and lined up here. Any crumbs that miss the shrimp are caught below and recycled back into systems. Up close, you can see jagged panko flakes that will become super crunchy soon. Machines adjust the spacing, giving each shrimp enough room to cook without touching neighbors. Under natural light, the white coating looks pristine. They are ready for frying now. Sensors check oil levels constantly. Precision is key before the intense heat starts up. The heaters power up. We're about to turn these pale shrimp golden fast. Into the fryer they go. This continuous line is where the color transformation really happens. Hitting hot oil, the batter erupts, puffing up and turning a pale gold instantly. Watch that magic moment. White crust disappears, replaced by a beautiful, appetizing golden glow. The oil is crystal clear thanks to filtration, letting that golden color shine through. Thousands float along this river of oil, bubbling away as they cook through perfectly. A bar pushes them under, making sure the top side gets just as crispy. Look at that texture. It's perfectly crispy, jagged, and exactly what we want. The belt lifts them out, glistening with oil, hot and fresh from the fryer. Shakers vibrate the belt to knock off extra oil, keeping them light and crunchy. You can see steam rising off them. They smell absolutely incredible right this moment. They enter the wind tunnel. Cool air sets the crust so it stays hard. Powerful fans blow over them, stripping away the last bit of surface oil now. It's a golden sea of tempura. Every single piece looks identical to others. A probe checks core temperature. Meat inside must be fully cooked and safe today. Finally, they head into the IQF freezer to lock in freshness for the haul. Out they come frozen solid. A tiny layer of frost protects that golden crust. They're rock hard. You can handle them without breaking that delicate, crispy coating. Computers weigh them in batches, dropping the exact right amount down into chutes quickly. Packaging film rolls through, printed with delicious images of what's inside the bag. The frozen shrimp fall into bags as they are formed up perfectly right here. They pump nitrogen gas inside before sealing, keeping shrimp fresh and the crunch safe. Heat jaws clamp down, sealing the bag tight. No air enters, no flavor leaves. Safety first, every bag passes through a metal detector to ensure no contaminants inside. And an X-ray machine double checks they don't take any chances with quality. Lasers etch the expiration date onto the package. Fast, precise, and permanent markings always. A robot arm grabs bags and packs them neatly into these large cardboard cartons. The boxes are taped shut automatically. It's a smooth, rhythmic end to production. Stacked on pallets, the boxes are ready. It's a tower of tasty tempura. Forklifts whisk them to the giant freezer warehouse until it's time to ship. Loaded onto containers, these shrimp travel the world, bringing a perfect crunch to you.